The wait is finally over. The GoPro Hero 14 Black has arrived, and it's making some serious promises. Action camera fans have been buzzing about this release for months, with leaks and rumors hinting at game-changing upgrades. From sharper 8K video capture to smarter stabilization and improved battery life, GoPro is aiming to once again set the benchmark for adventure filming. But here's the question everyone's asking. Is the Hero 14 Black truly a leap forward, or just a small step in the same direction? In this review, we'll break it all down for you. We'll take a close look at its design, explore the camera and video improvements, test its new shooting modes, and see how it performs in real-world conditions. And of course, we'll find out if it still holds its crown as the ultimate action camera in 2025. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into it together. The GoPro Hero 14 Black continues the rugged, waterproof design that's been a signature of the brand, but with some subtle improvements to make it even more reliable in tough environments. Early reports suggest a slimmer, sleeker body with enhanced heat management, allowing creators to film longer without interruptions. The front display could feature a higher refresh rate for smoother previews, while the rear touchscreen might be brighter for visibility under harsh sunlight. GoPro also appears to be refining its tactile buttons, giving adventurers a more responsive feel when navigating menus with gloves or in wet conditions. These thoughtful tweaks show GoPro's commitment to usability, even in the most demanding settings. When it comes to performance, the Hero 14 Black is rumored to take a massive leap. Native 8K recording at 30 frames per second could finally bring cinematic-level quality to action footage, while 4K at 240 frames per second would allow jaw-dropping slow-motion playback. For those who shoot in low-light conditions, like night trails, concerts, or indoor sports, a larger sensor may deliver cleaner, sharper results with less noise. Combined with the next iteration of hyper-smooth stabilization, potentially version 7.0, users could expect buttery smooth footage even in the roughest conditions. Imagine mountain biking on rocky terrain or skydiving at high speed. The footage would still look stable and professional. GoPro is also rumored to introduce creative tools that will save time for content creators. AI-assisted framing could automatically keep the subject perfectly centered, no matter how unpredictable the action gets. Improved horizon leveling might lock in orientation even when flipping upside down or moving through extreme angles, which is perfect for snowboarders, skateboarders, or gymnasts. Expanded cinematic presets could make it easier to capture polished footage without manually adjusting settings, while customizable quick capture modes may allow users to jump straight into filming at a moment's notice. Battery life has been another focus. With a higher capacity battery, the Hero 14 Black could push continuous recording closer to 2.5 hours at 4K resolution, which would be a huge step up for adventurers and travelers. Thermal efficiency upgrades may also prevent the device from draining too quickly during intense sessions. Add in fast USB-C charging, which may reach 80% in under half an hour, and you've got a camera designed to keep up with non-stop action. Connectivity is also rumored to be stronger than ever. With Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, file transfers to smartphones and apps should be faster and smoother, which is great for those who edit on the go. The GoPro app could also get new in-app editing features, better cloud backups, and possibly even 4K live streaming support. That means creators could share their adventures instantly with followers, in crystal-clear quality, without needing extra equipment. Taken together, the GoPro Hero 14 Black doesn't feel like a minor refresh. It looks like a big step forward in almost every way. From 8K recording to smarter AI features, extended battery life, and improved connectivity, it's shaping up to be one of the most versatile and powerful action cameras GoPro has ever released. For professionals, athletes, and adventurers alike, this camera might just be the ultimate upgrade. That wraps up our deep dive into the GoPro Hero 14 Black. From design tweaks and sharper video quality to smarter stabilization and stronger connectivity, this camera is shaping up to be a powerhouse for creators and adventurers in 2025. But of course, what matters most is how you use it. Whether you're capturing once-in-a-lifetime adventures, recording your daily vlogs, or pushing your creativity to new levels, the Hero 14 Black promises to keep up with it all. We'd love to hear what you think. Are these upgrades enough to make you switch to the new model, or do you feel your current GoPro still gets the job done? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We always enjoy the conversation. And if you like this review, Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Technify for more tech reviews, guides, and hands-on breakdowns. Also, don't miss the notification bell so you never fall behind on the latest releases. Thanks for being part of the Technify community. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep the adventure alive with Technify. See you in the next video.